Hello, lovely food enthusiasts. Today, I'm delighted to share a truly elegant no-carb snack, the Supermodel Tomato Snack. Perfect for a quick, refined treat that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Let's craft this effortless gourmet bite. You'll need 2 ripe tomatoes at room temperature for optimal flavor, sliced deli turkey, cut into small, delicate pieces, a pinch of salt and pepper to enhance every layer, everything bagel seasoning or a savory bagel sauce for crunch and depth. Optional, fresh herbs like basil or parsley for a fragrant finishing touch. Begin by slicing your tomatoes horizontally into 2 even rounds. If desired, gently scoop out a bit of the inner flesh. This creates more space for the filling while maintaining their elegant shape. Sprinkle a touch of salt and pepper inside each tomato for a subtle seasoning that elevates the natural sweetness. Now chop your deli turkey into tiny, delicate pieces. You can either layer these inside the tomato or arrange them artfully on top, whichever feels most refined. Fill the tomato generously with the turkey, ensuring each bite is packed with flavor. Finish with a flourish. Sprinkle everything bagel seasoning over the top for a satisfying crunch and savory aroma. Or delicately drizzle some bagel sauce for an extra layer of flavor. For an added touch of elegance, garnish with fresh basil or parsley, a simple way to brighten the presentation. Place the second tomato slice on top for a refined tomato sandwich, or serve the halves individually as a stunning no-carb appetizer. And there you have it, a supermodel-worthy, effortless gourmet snack that's quick to prepare but sophisticated in every bite. Treat yourself to this elegant bite anytime you crave something healthy, beautiful, and truly delicious. Don't forget to subscribe for more refined, simple recipes. Until next time, bon appetit!